Hello students, welcome to West Bengal English Medium Guide. Today I am going to give you the insight question answers from the chapter Moon and Artificial Satellite Class 5 Science Book West Bengal Board. I have given the exercise question answers in the previous video. If you have missed, then please check out the description box or playlist. You will find that video from there. Okay, let's start the insight question answers from this chapter. Number 1, which is the Earth's only natural satellite, the Moon. Number 2, which is the brightest object in the night sky, the moon. Number 3, what is the distance between the moon and the earth? Approximately 3,84,400 kilometers. Number 4, why does moon look big? The moon looks big because it is close to us than the sun. Number 5, what is the revolution of the moon? 27.3 days. Number 6, how is the surface of the moon? The surface of the moon is rough and uneven. It has great plains and big mountains. Number 7, what are craters? The surface of the moon appears to consist of bright and dark patches due to some big holes. These are called craters. Number 8, how were the craters on the moon formed? The craters on the moon were formed when lumps of rocks and iron called meteorites hit the moon's surface. Number 9, the moon's gravity is 1/6 of the earth's gravity. Number 10, who were the first people to land on the moon? Neil Armstrong, Edwin Aldrin, and Michael Collins. Number 11, which spacecraft carried them to the moon? Apollo 11. Number 12, when did they land on the moon? 20th July 1969. Number 13, who was the first Indian to go into space? Rakesh Sharma. Number 14, who was the first woman Indian to go into space? Kalpana Chawla. Number 16, the full moon day is known as Purnima in Hindi. Number 16, what is waxing? The increasing size of the sunlit portion of the moon is called waxing. 17, what is waning? The decreasing size of the sunlit portion of the moon is called waning. Number 18, how many tides are there? Tides are of two types, high tide and low tide. Number 19, what is total lunar eclipse? When the moon is completely in the dark shadow of the earth, it is called total lunar eclipse. Number 20, what is partial lunar eclipse? When the moon is only partly hidden by the shadow of the earth, it is called partial lunar eclipse. Number 21, when do the highest tides occur? The highest tides occur at the time of new moon day and the full moon day. Number 22, what is total solar eclipse? When the sun is completely hidden by the moon, it is called the total solar eclipse. Number 23, what is partial solar eclipse? When only a part of the sun is hidden by the moon, it is called partial solar eclipse. Number 24, when does lunar eclipse occur? Lunar eclipse occurs on full moon day at night. Number 25, when does the solar eclipse occur? Solar eclipse occurs only on the new moon day. 26. Which artificial satellite was launched by the Soviet Union and when? The Soviet Union launched the first artificial satellite Sputnik 1 in 1957. 27. Name some Indian satellites including Aryabhatta, Rohini, Apple and InSat series. Number 28. When was India's first moon mission launched and by which spacecraft? The spacecraft Chandrayaan 1. India's first moon mission was launched on October 22, 2008. 29. How do scientists use scientific research satellites? Scientific research satellite gather information about the universe for research purposes. 30. What are the uses of navigation satellites? This help aircraft, ship, etc. to determine their location. 31. Full form of GPS, the Global Positioning System. Number 32, how is GPS formed? GPS is formed of total 24 satellites. 33, how can be GPS used? This system can be used to locate the accurate location of the GPS receiver anywhere on the earth. 34, who was Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, or why he was known as the Missile Man of India, or what did he do? Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was our scientist president. He had designed India's first rocket SLV-3 that launched a satellite to orbit the Earth. He played a major role in developing missiles such as the Prithvi and the Agni in India. Therefore, he was titled as the Missile of India. 35. Who are astronauts? A person who is trained to travel in spacecraft are known as astronauts. 36. What is missile? An object such as a bullet, arrow, or rocket that is sent through the air so as to hit a target is known as missile. So these are the exercise inside question answers from the chapter Moon and the Artificial Satellite. Okay, and I have already told that the exercise question answers are given in the previous video. If you have missed, then please check out the description box or playlist. You will find that video from there. So that's all for today. See you soon with a new video. Till then, take care and bye.